The chapter in this session I will discuss pricing and marketing. I am Dr. Dhananjay, Associate Professor of Marketing Management and Economics, and I am also Coordinator of Faculty of Management Studies, ICFA University, Tripura. And my contact number and email ID also given here. If any doubt or queries are there, you can directly contact with me, and you can give suggestion also. And in pricing and marketing chapter, the main objectives are like to understand the significance and importance of price to a marketer, to know the price and non-price competition, to study the process of setting price, to know the approach to price adjustment, to know the effects of price changes, thus to understand the pricing and marketing. Now for make it simple, the learning objectives I will divide into three parts, and I will cover this chapter into three sessions. Now in the first session I will cover the objectives, understanding the significance and importance of price to a marketer. Then secondly I will discuss in this session price and non-price competition. Now before going to the significance and importance of price to a marketer, first I will discuss about the what is price. So can anybody tell that what is price? Just you can assume that what is price, because everybody we purchase product and services or a bill service, so we pay for it. So what basically exactly it is? Okay, now I am telling you, price refers to the monetary value a customer pays to own or acquire or to consume a product or service. What I said, I repeat, price refers to the monetary value or money value a customer pays to acquire or to own or to consume a product or service. Now we'll go through the detail of the significance and importance of price to a marketer. In the significance and importance of price to a marketer, first I want to say something like setting prices for a product is an important aspect of the marketing strategy, and ineffective pricing can cause immense damage to the growth and sustainability of the firms. Therefore marketers take important care while pricing their product. Companies must consider the following factors while setting price of product, and these factors are the demand for the product or service in the market, customer perception about the product and the firm, the market itself, then expenditure incurred for producing the goods and services, intensity of the competition. These are the some factors marketer need to consider while marketer setting the price of the product or services. Now about the significance and importance of price to a marketer, more details like revenue profit we will discuss here. Revenue refers to the price charged to customer multiplied by the number of units sold. This is basically the revenue earned by the company and which they charged to the customer multiplied by the number of units sold. Total revenue generated from selling a product. Then profit, revenue minus expenses. Profit refers to the revenue minus all expenses. The importance of price. Revenue equal to unit price into number of units sold. Revenue pays for every activity, then what left over is profit. To earn a profit, marketers must select a price that is not too high or too low, a price that equals the perceived value to target consumers. Now there is an example of a Whirlpool Duet combo which is just priced nearly 4 times of the price of comparable models. So this is one example of pricing product. Now again, price definition: the amount of money charged for a product or service, the sum total of all values that consumer exchange for the benefit of having or using the product or service. Now some example of price are like tuition fee, rent, fare, retainer fee, toll, salary, wages and dues. These are some example of the price. Like we give a tuition fee, we give house rent, then a fare, then insurance premium. These are some example of price. Then the nature of price. Price may have many names, or the many names of price are like a hotel. If we go to hotel, we give hotel rent. Then doctor, if we go to doctor, we give a fee. Then premium, insurance premium. Then apartment, like we give rent. So basically what is price? To a seller, price is revenue and profit source, and to the consumer, price is what you give up to get what you want. So this is basically the price from different angles, different point of view. I hope all of you have understood. Now next I'll discuss about the price and non-price competition. First I'll discuss the price competition, then non-price competition. In price competition, when companies compete with each other with respect to the price of the product or service being offered, it is known as price competition. Or in this type of competition, marketers try to offer their product or service at a price equivalent or lower to the price offered by the competitors. Company that offers the lowest price get a huge market share in the market, characterized by the price competition. For example, we can we can take example of the Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio recently they have introduced Reliance Jio with very affordable and cheap pricing policy. So it actually basically bring the price competition into the telecom sector. Now simply price competition refers to the competition where marketer compete with each other with respect to the price of the product or service. Next I will discuss non-price competition. Companies may also competition may also occur with respect to the quality, features, packaging, etc. of the product or service being offered. Consumers in such a market are loyal to the brand and also are unwillingly to satisfy their needs with substitute brands. For example, upper class customers using Mercedes car or any kind of costly product purchased by the uh, customers. Say for example, in salt, we can talk about Tata salt also. Now, if a customer wants to buy Tata salt, they need to give a extra price comparing to other brand of salt available in the market. So simply, non-price competition refers to that competition where marketers compete with each other with respect to the features, model, design, packaging, etc. Now in this session, like I have discussed about the what is price, what is the significance, importance and nature of price, then what is price and non-price competition. Thank you everybody. In the next session, I will discuss about the process of setting price in detail.